you, but I'm off to the city you own. So friend, where you been, where you headed to? Canal Road, tag along, get a better view. The road I'm taking is just skull and bones, and I will take you, but I'm off to the city. I've been regaining my focus, reclaiming my hopes, and every little thing I've been training, I own this. No problems here, no sir, I'm so certain I got a bright future, the sunburn is so worth it. I'm feeling closer to my dream than I ever been. The limousine is literally outside the street. I'm half asleep, so nothing here is out of reach. I make something from nothing, go ahead and run the beat. Call me a dreamer, but I have seen it, that's why I'm breathing. Oh yeah, I play the fucking side like a wide receiver. I got what you need's what I deliver. I'm in the sky looking down, yeah, I'm high as ever. I'm elite, F-16 fighter pilot. I got my head in the clouds, so I can write about it. But I fly alone, never read the dialogue. I just do my thing, cut the scene and retire. Old friend, where you been, where you headed to? Canal Road, tag along, get a better view. The road I'm taking is just skull and bones, and I will take you, but I'm off to the city you own. So friend, where you been, where you headed to? Canal Road, tag along, get a better view. The road I'm taking is just skull and bones, and I will take you, but I'm off to the city. Now any dreamer can dream, but ain't as driven as me. See, I can say what you think, and I say what I see. Though I'm swerving on the shoulder of the road, I still hit the gas. Call me Daytona Ommz, I just rip the track. I've been astray in vacant slumber for many summers. The city's known to steal your soul and take you under, but I refuse, I've been sick, so I'm immune. A better shot at life is where I'm headed to. This I promise, I'm the hardest, hard as August. In the middle in Nevada, in the desert starving. No mirage can fool me, I see the truth. Through the billowing smoke, I see a better view. I'm out of place, my mind is living out of state. I'm here to stay, surprise baby, you know the name. It's T-Dot, the CN Tower, to see the power. Tell these exes to wrap it up, the scene is out.